Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to show the critical path in a Gantt chart on Monday.com. The critical path highlights the sequence of tasks that directly determines your project's finish date. When it's turned on, you can instantly see which tasks cannot slip without delaying the entire project. Before we start, make sure your board already uses a timeline or start and end date column and a dependency column. Those are what the Gantt chart uses to calculate the path. Begin by opening Monday.com and heading to your home area. From there, navigate to the project or board you want to review. I'll open a sample project, but you can select any board that already has a Gantt view configured. If you've used the Gantt chart before on this board, you should see that view listed along the top. Open it so you're looking at the timeline with tasks laid out across dates. In the Gantt view, look to the top right for the More Options menu, shown as 3 dots. Click that to open the view options. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This opens the configuration panel for the Gantt view you're currently in, so any changes you make here affect only this view and not the entire board. Inside Settings, find the Critical Path section. This is where you control whether the path is displayed on your Gantt. Click Critical Path to expand it if it's collapsed. Now toggle on Show Critical Path. As soon as you enable it, Monday.com scans your tasks, looks at their dependencies and durations, and highlights the chain that governs your project's end date. You'll typically see the critical tasks and their connecting lines emphasized, making them stand out from the rest of the timeline. If nothing highlights, double check that your items have start and end dates and that dependencies are properly set. The critical path requires a continuous chain of linked tasks to calculate. Also remember, the path updates automatically. If you adjust a task's duration, change a dependency, or move a date, the critical path recalculates instantly to reflect the new reality. A few tips to make this view even more useful. Zoom the timeline in or out to get the right level of detail, and ensure you're looking at the full project time frame so you don't miss any upstream tasks. Keep your data clean and consistent. Accurate dates and dependencies are essential for reliable results, and if you use filters in the view, be mindful that filtering out items can change what appears on the critical path. That's it. You've turned on the critical path for your Gantt chart, giving you a clear, actionable view of what truly drives your schedule.